Your results are on your meters or in the isaw app. But sometimes you just need a hard copy. What to do? Here's the answer. Connect your isaw app to a Bluetooth printer. Print any result in 1 minute. Turn on the Bluetooth printer. Turn on the Bluetooth on the mobile phone. Open your isaw app. Go to Records. All your history is here. Find the one you need and tap on it. On the result details page, you'll see this clear print button. Tap it and select Bluetooth printer. Connected. For Android users, you might see this enter pairing code prompt. No problem, just type 1234 and tap save. Now, click print. A perfect paper copy, perfect for your records or doctor's visits. Know myself, enjoy my life.